Hello students. Today let us see aldol condensation mechanism. Aldol means aldehyde plus alcohol, aldol. So now let us see the aldehyde and ketone containing at least one alpha hydrogen attached to the carbon adjacent to carbonyl group of CO. It undergoes self-condensation in presence of dilute alkali to form beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. So called as aldol. So it is called aldehyde plus alcohol gives aldol. Shortly we have written ald plus alcohol. So aldehyde plus alcohol is called as a aldol. Now we'll see a simple reaction CH3CHO and CH3CHO. Two molecules we have taken. Any one of the alpha, this is the functional group. Next functional group carbon is called as alpha carbon. So this alpha carbon contains 3 hydrogen. Even this CH3CHO also contains alpha carbon and it also contains 3 hydrogen, alpha hydrogen. So either this or this, one of the hydrogen is transferred to this oxygen. So we got CH3, CHOH, CH2, CHO. So this hydrogen is transferred only from alpha to beta. So what? It is beta hydroxy butanol because aldehyde means Al, butanol. I have written a 3 hydroxy butane Al for aldehyde. Then similarly for a 3 hydroxybutanol or beta hydroxybutyraldehyde is the name of the aldol. This is common name and this is the IUPAC name. We should say only IUPAC, not we should say IUPAC name. Let us see the mechanism. Aldol acetaldehyde condensation because we have 3 types. One is aldol acetaldehyde condensation, aldol acetone condensation and crossed aldol condensation. So first we will see aldol acetaldehyde condensation. Your question would be aldol acetaldehyde condensation mechanism. Explain like that they will ask you. So it carries 3 steps. So first steps, the base of OH minus because from alkali that OH minus is removes the proton from one of the alpha hydrogen to form carbanion. So here one of the molecule I have taken CH3CHO, that H I have exhibited outside because this OH minus ion going to remove this H and leave as a H2O. So what this bonded electron is written on the head of CH2CHO as a charge. So it is called minus CH2CHO is called carbanion. In step 2, carbanion attacks the carbonyl group of second molecule of acetaldehyde. So here second molecule I have taken in a structural form CH3CH double bond O. In step 1 I have taken this acetaldehyde in a molecular form, but here I have taken a structural form. So this structural form, carbon and oxygen, carbon has only 2.5 is the electronegativity value, but oxygen carries a 3.5 electronegativity. So what oxygen electronegativity is high, so it attracts the electron towards itself. It acquires positive charge. So easily this CH2CHO carbanion attacks this carbonyl carbon. So we are getting a CH3CH single bond O and this minus, and this carbanion donated the bond. So it is a new bond is formed between C and C. This is the significance of aldol. New carbon-carbon bond is formed. So it is called alkoxide ion. This alkoxide ion is taken in the step 3. The formed alkoxide ion is protonated by water to give aldol. Here I have taken a water H single bond OH. CH3, CH, CH2, CHO, new bond is formed. This O minus is donated to hydrogen. It forms OH, and this bonded electron shifted to OH. So what OH minus we got it? CH3, CH, OH, and CH2, CHO is the aldol. So next question is aldol acetone condensation. So in this aldol acetone condensation mechanism, we are supposed to be taken two molecules of acetone, CH3, CH3, C double bond O. One is structural formula, another form is a molecular formula. So when the electron is shifted from carbon near to oxygen, because oxygen is a more electronegativity than carbon. So it acquires positive charge, it acquires negative charge. So one of the hydrogen is shifted to oxygen. So what CH3, C, CH3, OH and CH2, CO, CH3. Between this CO, ketone and OH, out of these two, ketone only has the first priority than OH. So what numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fourth carbon, 1 methyl and OH. So 4 hydroxy, 4 methyl, pentane, 2, 1. Ketone is 1. So mechanism, the base of OH minus removes proton from one of the alpha hydrogen atom to form carbanion. So now I have taken one acetone molecule in a ordinary formula. Another thing is second step I should supposed to be taken in a structural formula. So first I have taken a molecular formula. Then I exhibited one hydrogen from this CH3. So because this OH minus is removing this hydrogen, only one hydrogen, and becomes a carbanion. This bonded electron return as a charge. CH2CO CH3 minus is called as carbanion. So in step 2, that same carbanion attacks the carbonyl group of second molecule of acetones. This is second molecule in a structural formula. Same way oxygen acquires a more electronegativity because that is 3.5, this is only 2.5. So this one of the double bond is shifted on oxygen, it acquires negative and this acquires positive. So easily this carbanion is attacking and form a new bond. So I have written here, new bond is formed between carbon and carbon. So CH3, C, CH3, O minus and single bond CH2, CO, CH3. General formula is alkoxide ion. Then it is formed, the formed alkoxide ion is protonated by water to give aldol. So maybe it called as a ketol because ketone is involved, so it is called ketol. Generally it is a aldol. So in this alkoxide ion, CH3, C, CH3, CH2, CO, CH3O minus. This water I have written as a H single bond OH. So this minus is shifted to H. This bond is shifted on oxygen because oxygen more electronegative than hydrogen. Hydrogen electronegativity value is 2.1 whereas oxygen is 3.5. So what this minus is giving the electron to H. So CH3, CCH3, OH and CH3, COCH. So it is called what? Aldol. But actually it is a ketone plus alcohol. So it is called as a ketol also. So next crossed aldol condensation. In cross aldol condensation, that CH3, C, CH3, double bond O is one molecule and a acetol mixed. One ketone and one aldehyde is mixed together. It is called cross. So out of these two, only acetaldehyde is more reactive than acetone. So what that more reactive acetaldehyde alpha hydrogen is donated to this ketone. So one of the double bond is shifted on oxygen due to high electronegativity of oxygen than carbon. So it acquires negative charge, this acquires positive charge. So this H is shifted to oxygen. So we got it CH3, C, CH3, OH and here CH2, CHO. So when we compare aldehyde and alcohol, aldehyde is a more priority than the OH. So what 1, 2, 3, 4. In third carbon, methyl is substituted, hydroxy group is substituted. So named as a 3-hydroxy 3-methyl butanol. because aldehyde is a preference, so it is a Al should come. So next mechanism we are supposed to see in the step 1, no, base of OH minus, because we are supposed to use dilute sodium hydroxide. So base of OH minus removes the proton from one of the alpha hydrogen atom from acetaldehyde to form carbanion. Same way we are supposed to take one molecule in molecular formula, another molecule in a structural formula. In one molecule of formula, that H is exhibited because this OH minus going to remove this H. Then this, when the H goes, it leaves the bond and go. So what, that bonded electron I have written here on the top as a charge. It is carbanion. Now, carbanion attacks the carbonyl group of acetone molecule. So here the structural formula CH3, CH3 double bond O is the second molecule, acetone, and this is carbanion. Here oxygen is shifted towards oxygen because it acquires high electronegativity value, that is 3.5. Carbon electronegativity value is 2.5. So what, when the electron is shifted to oxygen, it acquires plus, this acquires minus. So easily it attacks, the minus will attack this nucleophile attacks the plus. So what we'll have, a new bond is created between C and C. So CH3, CH3, single bond, CH2, CHO, this is O minus, is called as alkoxide ion. So the formed alkoxide ion is protonated by water to give alcohol. So again we should take water. So this minus is giving the electron to H, and this bonded electron goes to OH. So what, CH3, C, CH2, CHO, OH, this becomes OH minus. So this is called aldol. Thank you, students.